Courage to love.
The Little Boy's Paper Airplane.
On a sunny afternoon, a little boy named Leo sat in his room, carefully folding a paper airplane. He chose his favorite blue drawing paper, meticulously creasing each edge, hoping this plane would fly high and far. When finished, he excitedly ran into the garden, took a deep breath, and flung the paper airplane into the sky. The airplane caught the breeze, gracefully soared over the garden fence, and finally landed gently in the yard of his new neighbors. There stood a boy with blonde hair and blue eyes, curiously looking at this sudden visitor. He picked up the airplane, looked up, and saw Leo on the other side of the fence with a surprised expression. "Hello, is this your plane?" the blonde boy asked in a language Leo didn't understand. Though Leo didn't know what was being said, he could tell the other boy liked the paper airplane. He shyly nodded, pointing at the plane and then at himself. Leo thought for a moment, then ran back to his house to get a box of colored pencils. He gestured for the blonde boy to fly the plane back. When the airplane returned to him, Leo drew a big smiley face on its wing before sending it back to his new friend. The blonde boy's eyes lit up when he received the airplane. He immediately pulled a red crayon from his pocket and drew a shining heart on the other wing, then carefully flew the plane back to Leo. And so began a silent conversation between the two children. Leo drew a sun and little birds on the plane. The blonde boy added flowers and clouds. Leo drew the two of them holding hands. The blonde boy surrounded them with a rainbow. As the paper airplane flew back and forth, the blue paper gradually became covered with colorful drawings. Though they spoke different languages, through these small drawings they shared joy and friendship. Finally, when the paper airplane was nearly covered with artwork, both boys smiled simultaneously. They no longer needed the paper airplane to communicate because they had become friends, happily gesturing across the fence, trying to communicate through actions and understanding. As the sun began to set, both mothers came out to call their children home. Seeing how the boys could happily play together despite the language barrier, the two mothers smiled at each other. Leo and the blonde boy waved goodbye, promising to play again tomorrow. The paper airplane covered with drawings was carefully taken home by the blonde boy, becoming the first treasured gift of their friendship. Leo ran home too, eager to tell his mother about his new friend. That warm afternoon, Leo learned a valuable lesson. True friendship doesn't need complicated words. With a heart willing to share and understand, even the simplest methods can convey the most sincere feelings. From that day on, whenever Leo saw paper airplanes flying in the sky, he would always remember that special afternoon and how he and his new friend built a bridge of friendship across languages and cultures in the most innocent way.